morning guys, and you've probably guessed this week's video is very different and it's technically a vlog but not a vlog, and I've been wanting to do this for absolutely ages. I've just never thought you guys would want to watch one of these, but I did ask on Twitter and I did a little poll and asked you guys, would you be interested in seeing what I eat in a day, and you guys said yes, so that's what I'm doing today. And if you hear any squawking in the background in this video, is my parrot because he likes to squawk. I actually got the video idea from Faves, Hannah and Velvet Ghost, aka Gabby, because they're my absolute favourites, and I love watching their videos of what they eat in a day. Obviously these videos aren't what you should eat, it's just showing you what I personally eat, and I hope this video is going to be relatively healthy. And I'm going to start with like breakfast because it is currently nearly 8:30 in the morning, and that is quite early to be honest. I do wake up every single day around like 7, 8, which is just normal. I just do, and I feel like I'm an old lady just waking up really early instead of being a normal young teen. No, I'm not even a teenager, young adult waking up at like 11 in the morning. But I'll show you guys what I got for breakfast. I've literally just got a cup of coffee from my Dolce Gusto machine. It is a latte macchiato, and I've got it in my favourite ever Kafkisden mug. It's so good. I will have to admit, I don't eat breakfast in the morning. I haven't done in ages. It's very rarely that I do, and that is if I'm doing like a really early shift at work and I finish at like an awkward time, like 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock maybe. So that's the only time I will eat, and I don't eat much. I eat like a really tiny bowl of cereal. Yeah, so on my average day I will just drink a cup of coffee and that is my breakfast, but I feel like that gives me the energy I need for the day. And I don't know if drinking coffee every day every morning is bad, but who cares. So I'm gonna relax with my coffee now, and I'll see you guys around lunchtime because I don't really tend to snack. And I'm gonna play some Township, which this isn't sponsored, but it's the best game ever and I just love it.
Magic, more 90s, more 80s, more of the songs you love.
Why is my hair so freaking flat? It's really sad. But anyway, it is about 12 PM and I've just come back from doing a few bits and bobs with my mum, and we're gonna have some lunch, and I'm really excited because it's quite healthy. I'll show you what we're gonna have. So we're basically gonna have, well, I'm gonna have one of the garlic and herb salmon portions, and it comes in a pouch like this, and you basically just bake it in all the juice and sauce melts, so that is really nice and healthy. And with that, we're just going to have the Tilda super grain sweet potato, chili and coconut rice with quinoa, brown basmati and sorghum. I've never even heard of that in my life, but that just sounded really healthy and it's new, and I love sweet potato, chili and coconut and quinoa and brown basmati so that's going to be perfect. And it's 2 servings, so me and my mum are going to share that. And then I got the last portion of raspberries because I need to be really healthy. So yeah, show you when it's done. And we're also maybe going to have some steamed vegetables because you need one of those 5 a day. And I'll probably squirt some sweet chili sauce onto the rice because that is always the best part. And this is the end result. It looks so good. I'm so hungry, and look at the rice. It looks really healthy as well. I'm literally so healthy. I don't know what to say in these what I eat in a day videos, but yeah, so freaking excited. I'll see you guys in the afternoon when I have my tea and my snack. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this now. Yeah. Num num num. the time is now 2:30, and around this time I usually make a cup of tea, which you just saw in the little clip there. And I always put like half teaspoon of sugar in there with a bit of semi-skimmed milk. It's really hot though. And I always have 2 tea bags because I really like a really strong tea. And I do have a cheeky little snack, and I've got a Cliff Bar chocolate chip. It is an energy bar, and it is 271 calories per bar, which could be quite a lot in some people's opinion, but it's a treat to myself. And I don't usually have one of those with a cup of tea. I literally just have a cup of tea on its own, but I thought, why the hell not today? And I always usually, if I'm off during the week, I always have a cup of tea in the afternoon, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to watch as well. And I'm going to watch some of my watch later. So I have Louise, the Michelin, Sophie and Cinzia in Paris, Zoe, who else? I've got Gabby, Helen, Lucy Wood, Becca Jane, Jones. That is my afternoon with my tea. So next time I'll see you guys. Hopefully I'll look a bit more presentable. Probably not. I'll probably have my makeup off and I'll be just sorting out dinner. So I'll see you then. As you can see, I've now taken my makeup off and I've also had a bath. And I used the last of my Christmas products, which was Shoot for the Stars and Magic Christmas Bubble Bar, which I'm really sad about, but I'm excited to stock up on all year round products now. And it is about 5:15 and I'm gonna eat sort of dinner / tea. I don't eat like heavy meals in the evenings unless I'm working, so I tend to usually try and have a light meal. And excuse the budgies, Kiwi, that's the name of the budgies, likes to chirp a lot, so excuse if he's making a lot of noise. But I've decided to have a bagel. Let me just show you. So I've got a bagel and I've actually got peanut butter, which is Meridian, I think. And fun fact, it is a vegan peanut butter. And I've just got some jam on top. So I haven't had peanut butter and jam in absolutely probably since last year. And the bagel is Morrison's own brand. And yeah, that is my dinner / tea for tonight. And I think after I've eaten this delight, I'll probably just start editing this video, catch up on my YouTube and chill. So it is now 8 o'clock in the evening. I've finally painted my nails and it's time for my last snack of the day. So 8 o'clock every single night without fail, I will have a decaf coffee and a bar of chocolate, which I know is quite naughty, but I love it. So I always have Cadbury. Tonight's choice is of course dairy milk, and sometimes if I'm feeling cheeky I have 2 bars, but tonight I'm going to restrain myself and have 1. Coffee I generally have is Dr. Gusto Cafe Latte Decaf, and because I love coffee with all my heart, I don't think it's good to have like a caffeinated drink in the evening, even though dairy milk obviously has caffeine because it's chocolate. But yeah, this just makes me have my coffee fill without the actual caffeine, so it's perfect. I'm going to put it in here. It looks so good, I can't wait to drink it and eat this. I'm definitely really excited for this. And I'm just going to watch some YouTube videos now and maybe read a book before going to bed. Yay! And that is also the end of my video. So if you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat in an average day, then do let me know in the comments below and I might think of doing more. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates for next upload, and I will see you guys next week for another video. That's so good. Okay, bye guys!